Hi everyone, I'm Jane. Thanks for joining me to another video. Today we're gonna make something, I'm very excited to make a balloon technique. It's a pouring with the balloon technique. So we're gonna start by the same way of the other pouring. Put the base and spread to the canvases until you see all the surfaces covered. Put a little bit more. And we're gonna use a balloon today. It's very fun. And like you see, all my table is covered by painting because I was doing another one. Came out really good. I'm gonna post a picture to that one, but I decided to make another one. I want to do something like soft, like a leaves, and October, kind of yellowish and brownish and orangey, red, something like that. And I already separate my colors and see what's gonna like it. We start from the purple, just pouring a little bit like a dots. Now is the red, just a little bit because I'll try to make it leaves or flower. We'll see what's gonna. Orange, the magenta, a light pink, and the yellow. And I'm thinking about a little bit gold. I think gold looks good on that. Yes. A little bit more of the pink, the magenta, and more gold. Here we go with the balloon. Yes. Oh, love those colors. The design of the balloon, it's beautiful. This technique, it's a little tricky. It's looks like it's very easy, but you have to practice because you have to make sure that you don't tap too much the balloon on the top of the same thing, same spot, because the color is gonna be done, though, so it's doesn't look good. And the white, sometimes if you pop the balloon more than 2 or 3 times at same spot, the white is gonna take over and all the color is gone. So has to be careful and make the right pressure with the balloon to have the nice effect. Very gently. That one looks like a leaf. I don't want to make a lots of colors on this paint. I'd like to have a empty spot. Then you can see more of the painting, the details. I'm just trying to make nice. Like I said, I don't want to put a lot because the cells that form me at the first balloon, it's beautiful. I don't want to mess this. Now I'm gonna stretch the painting with my mouth to see if I can get more details and open a little bit the space that has like the spot that has more color, like spread a little bit. And see if I can get more cells. Yeah. That's perfect. I don't want to touch anymore. I'm just gonna try to make some leaves, like in green on in this part to looks more like autumn flowers blowing with the wind. I think it's perfect. I don't know if you guys can see what I see, but I'm very happy with that painting. And yeah, color is amazing. The combination of these colors is stunning. It's very delicate and perfect. Hopes that dries the way that it is now. And I think I'm gonna make leaves, but maybe tomorrow. And then I let you guys see the result after I finish. If you guys like this video, give your thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and touch the bell to see the next video. And thank you for joining me, and have a nice painting. Bye bye.